Tired of wasting time searching for your most recent documents and files? Let's make that easier. In this video, you're going to learn how to quickly access your documents and files using Microsoft Edge. For this, you'll need a Microsoft 365 license with access to Microsoft Edge. Begin by opening Microsoft Edge and navigating to the Work Feed tab. Here, you will find a personalized feed of your most recently accessed Office Cloud files from SharePoint and OneDrive, as well as your frequently visited SharePoint sites and top Office Online apps. And in the left panel, you can use different filtering options to stay on top of what's happening inside your team. By doing this, you'll limit time searching for documents and important information and becoming more efficient as a result. Reach out to us to learn how to use this feature, or take our 60-second productivity assessment below this video to learn how much money you're losing each month and how best to avoid it.